Nana. You wanted a chef? Well, guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef. What y'all cooking? A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef.
Nana, the saucy
She's
chef.
Nana, the
Please
saucy
subscribe
chef.
to my YouTube channel. Y'all
Nana,
hungry
the
yet?
saucy chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making Parmesan shrimp orzo pasta. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 10 ounces of medium pre-cooked shrimp, 1 cup of orzo pasta, 1 cup of chicken broth, 2 tablespoons of butter divided, 1/2 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, 3 large garlic cloves minced, 2 tablespoons of olive oil divided, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. To a pot of salted boiling water, we're going to add in our orzo pasta, and we're going to cook it according to the package, which is 8 to 10 minutes. Now to our shrimp, we're going to add in our garlic powder, parsley flakes, Old Bay seasoning, and ground black pepper. Just want to go in and mix it so it's well combined. You can set it to the side. Now to a skillet over medium heat, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You want that to come to temperature. Next, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of butter. And we're going to let that melt. Once your butter has melted, we're going to add in our shrimp. We're going to let that cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Once our shrimp are done cooking, we're going to go ahead and remove it and set it in the bowl to the side. Once your orzo is done cooking, you want to go ahead and drain it and set it to the side. Now in the same skillet, I'm going to add in my other tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to also add in my minced garlic and also my crushed red pepper flakes. And I'm going to let that saute for 1 minute. Now we're going to add in our chicken broth. You can go ahead and give that a good mix, and you want to bring it to a light boil. Now we're going to add in our orzo. Our tablespoon of butter, and also our grated Parmesan cheese. And you want to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined and the butter and the cheese has melted. Now we're going to let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. You want it to be nice and creamy. After 2 minutes, you can go ahead and turn off your heat, and we're going to add in our shrimp. And you just want to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and just sprinkle a little bit of parsley flakes over top just to give it a little bit of color. And here we have it, our Parmesan shrimp orzo pasta. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?